Today I am giving you a tour of 10023 North 103rd Drive in Sun City, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Sun City, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Sun City. Welcome to this wonderful single-family home, built in 1964. It offers 1,448 square feet of living space and has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Additional amenities include a spacious backyard, suitable for various outdoor activities. Situated in a well-established Sun City 55-plus neighborhood, this property provides easy access to local amenities, shopping centers, and recreational facilities. Here we have a shared bathroom with a tub shower combination. This home offers plenty of storage space and has ceiling fans to keep you cool and comfy year-round. Here we have the primary bedroom. It includes a spacious ensuite bathroom for added convenience. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The interior features an open floor plan, providing a cohesive and low-maintenance living environment. And the kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, including a dishwasher and refrigerator. It also offers ample cabinetry for storage. Additional features of this home include a bright and spacious Arizona room with a wet bar, as well as an internal laundry. To wrap up the tour, here is a quick peek at the backyard, complete with low-maintenance landscaping and ample space for gatherings. Don't miss the opportunity to live in this beautiful home. Schedule a self-showing today.